Issue with Virtualenv, cannot activate. I created a Virtualenv around my project, but when I try to activate it I cannot. It might just be syntax or folder location, but I am stumped right now. You can see below, I create the Virtualenv and call it venv. Everything looks good, then I try to activate it by running source venv bin activate. I'm thinking it might just have to do with my system path, but not sure what to point it to. I do know how to edit the path. I'm on Python 7 or Windows OS, Virtualenv 2.2.x.
Source is a shell command designed for users running on Linux or any PESIX, but whatever, not Windows. On Windows, Virtualenv creates a .bat/.ps1 file, so you should run venv /scripts/activate instead, per the Virtualenv documentation on the activate script. Just run activate, without an extension, so the right file will get used regardless of whether you're using command exe or PowerShell.
For activation you can go to the venv virtualenv directory, by cd venv. Then on Windows type dir, on Unix type ls. You will get 5 folders include lib, scripts, tcl and 60. Now type ./scripts/activate to activate your Virtualenv venv. Your prompt will change to indicate that you are now operating within the virtual environment. It will look something like this: venv, user at host column /venv$, and your venv is activated now.
I had the same problem. I was using Python 2, Windows 10, and Git Bash. Turns out in Git Bash you need to use
I was also facing the same issue in my Windows 10 machine. What steps I tried were: go to Anaconda terminal. Step 1. Step 2. Or Step 3. You can check it via Spider tool in Anaconda by typing import TensorFlow as tf.
이름 추가를 표시시켜야 하는